Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to be making Mapo Nasu. It's an eggplant version of Mapo Tofu. The spicy sauce makes the eggplant so delicious and filling, and we usually made with this ground pork, but today I used soy meat to make it vegan version. Let's get started. Here I have soy meat in dry form, and this is how I prepare it. Pour boiling water enough to cover the soy meat and let it absorb as much moisture to rehydrate for 5 to 6 minutes. And drain, wash, change the water several times and squeeze out as much moisture as possible. When you prepare like this, you can remove the unwanted smell of soy meat and making it tastier. Set aside until used. Next, cut the eggplant into cubes. Before cutting, dissolve a teaspoon of salt in 2 cups of water. Release diced eggplant in salty water to avoid browning and remove harshness. Place the dish on eggplants to submerge in salty water. And next, mince ginger and garlic. These fragrants are crucial for this dish because eggplants and soy meat are rather bland. It looks like a lot, but it is just right amount. Drain the eggplant and rinse under the running cold water to remove the saltiness. Okay, the preparation is done. Let's get started cooking. It doesn't take long. Heat your frying pan on medium heat, add vegetable oil, minced ginger and garlic immediately before the oil gets hot, and cook until fragrant. Add Doubanjan, the Chinese chili bean paste, and continue cooking. This will bring out the flavor a lot from the paste. Add soy meat and continue cooking until the color turns red. Add eggplant and stir fry until well combined. Add sugar, soy sauce, and chicken soup paste and water. Cover and cook for 5 to 6 minutes until eggplants are tender. Taste it and add salt or soy sauce if needed. Then add potato starch thickener little by little to thicken up the sauce. Cook a little bit longer until bubbling. And it looks good, and transfer to a serving dish, and it's done. For the finishing touch, sprinkle chopped scallions and drizzle sesame oil, and smells so good. Pour over the rice and it's good to go. Eggplant is tender and almost melt in your mouth, and spicy sauce makes it so flavorful. You can make this dish any time of the year, but it's appreciated in the hot summer because hot food like this will take away the temperature from your body from the inside by sweating. I hope you will give this recipe a try soon. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. Thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!